Welcome to Mama's Kitchen. We're going to make mashed potatoes. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to peel them first and put them in cold water to set. Because after you peel a potato, it'll turn dark on you. You gotta leave it in cold water until you're ready to cut them up, cook them. Okay, clean them up here and pour the water off. Then we're gonna cut them up and cook them. Like 6 potatoes. These are kind of big, but 6 normal potatoes. Okay, I let my water get real hot so it'll be ready to boil here in a few minutes. I'm going to put them on here and put 2 tablespoons of salt in this water. Put your fire on high. So it'll go ahead and get to a good boil. I got quite a bit of potatoes. I always taste it to see if I got the water salty enough. Oh yeah. Okay, I boiled these about 15 minutes. And check and see if they're tender, fork tender, and they are. They're ready to go. That can mess up mashed potatoes worse than anything if you don't get all the water out. This pan here is a good one for that. Okay, I just put a cup of milk in there and I'm going to put it on like a minute, 40 seconds. You don't want it boiling, but get it warmed up. Okay, I'm going to put two tablespoons of butter. Pretty heaped up tablespoons. Okay, then we're going to start with some of the milk, and we'll just add it as needed after we start here. We'll just start beating them on high is what I do. Stop about halfway through and scrape the sides of your pan good. Beat them till they're light and fluffy and they don't have any lumps in them. Just salt them to taste after we're done. There's a meal for a family. Man. Okay, I'm going to take it over to the table.
Okay.
Beat them till they're fluffy. Just beat them till they're light